I'm doing today is I have this Angle live bait cooler from Amazon, 13 quart. It's garbage. Your bait dies, like doesn't even last an hour with sardines. It's got this little crappy bubbler in it, so I'm gonna be taking this Igloo, what is this, how many quarts is this? Yeah, 90 quart cooler. I have this rite conversion kit, so I'm gonna turn this into a live well. This will be a lot better, be a lot more room in there, you know, and hopefully keeps my bait alive a lot longer. All right, so let's get it done. Hopefully that don't leak. Normally go in reverse, kind of like cutting siding, but I guess it really doesn't matter with this. All right, real quick, 60 seconds. This is a live well cooler conversion kit from rite.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can head over there and check it out. I got about 250 bucks into this. As you all know, if you're watching this, live wells can get up to into the thousands. If anything, this thing is 90 quarts. Should definitely keep the fish alive a lot longer. All you got, the kit's a pump, a hose. Takes about 15 minutes to set up. Drill a couple holes, get a battery. I got this battery out of my Sea-Doo switch. This is the one that came with it. I upgraded that to a marine grade battery. I'll hook it up. I will be hardwiring this as well with a switch, and it'll have a solar charger on it when I'm not using it. So yeah, this thing's pretty legit. Way better than that cheap thing I got off of Amazon. I guess you get what you pay for. Scale for the fish. But if you guys like these videos and want me to post more, feel free to like and subscribe. And I'll do a follow-up video tomorrow. I just want to test this out on the water tomorrow before I hardwire it and see how it works.